Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to create user with home directory in GUI mode in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So those who don't know how to create a user in command line mode, you can make use of this feature. So go to settings, details, okay, settings, details, okay, users. So click the unlock button. I'm going to create another user. Unlock button. I will ask for a root password. Provide the root password. Now you can see add user button is enabled. So I am create one new user. So I'm going to create one standard user. So I'm providing password now. So please provide valid password. Okay. So if you provide valid password only, that add button will be enabled. Okay. Otherwise, that add button will not be enabled. So I have given some common words, so only the add button is not enabled. See here, provide the correct password, then only add button will be enabled. So now you can add the user. Okay, now you can able to see that new user called Java FRM is got created. Okay, now let me verify just by logging off the current user. So I am log out as the current user. Now you can see new user called Java FRM is created. Now let me log in as a Java FRM. So provide the password whatever I created during the user creation. Yes, I can able to log in. Let me check whether I am having home directory. Yes, so you can see the user Java forum having the home directory. Okay, so this is the way you can create user with home directory in GUI mode in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. Okay, make use of this feature if you don't know the command to create user. Okay.